Well, g'day. Grumpy Kiwi back again. This time we're looking at turning. Look at this guy going straight ahead. Awesome. Awesome. Oh, he's changed his mind. He wants to go on the right. He wants to get in front of Grumpy. Anyway, he's got his hand out, so it's all good. Now, running. It's meant to be good for you, isn't it? But not when you run in front of Grumpy. Ah, get out of the way. I don't know. Crazy. Anyway, look at this numpty. Oh, for fuck's sake. Drive out in front of me. He must have seen me. Must have seen me. Anyway, trucks. Love them or hate them. But Jesus, when they pull out of here, cause trouble. Oh, no. What an asshole. Anyway, night time. Ah, here we go. Another one pulling out. He's indicating, but he's indicating left when turn right. So, I guess he made the effort. He made the effort, didn't he? Anyway, backing out here. Oh, well, what can you say? It's a blind corner. Mustn't have seen me coming. Anyway, thanks for everyone for liking the videos. And if you like the Facebook page, that'd be awesome. Or subscribe on the YouTubes. Anyway, Angry Kiwi, signing out.